Hello everybody and welcome. Here in Gillette, Wyoming, where it's 3 degrees and minus 11 wind chill. We're warming up the vehicles, we're heading out. We're supposed to do 3 sites today. Just a reminder to everybody, today and probably the next 2 weeks, I'll be up here working. As you know, I drove my Tesla 1,791 miles to Saratoga. We're out here working all over Wyoming in our vehicles to do maintenance work here on sites that range from tower top sites to mountaintop sites. So stay tuned. I'll be back in the Tesla as soon as I get this job done. So enjoy today's video. It's a cold one here today. We just arrived here at the site and we're gonna do some maintenance, and it turns out they're putting a new tower here, which is cool. New road, new tower. Man, it's pretty nice. Let's get in and get this baby fixed. Yeah, how do you like our new baby? Yeah, that's it, the GV5. We are done here in Gillette. Just to let you know, way up there is the antenna. And if you look where we are, being a high frequency type radio system, we're above the average terrain, which means that our signal is in line of sight for all these people below us. That's how it works. All right, we're done. We're getting the hay out of here. Let's move on down the road. I guess somebody was cleaning up here and they brought the fan outside. Well, there you go, buried in the snow. Here's where the new antenna is going. This is fed with coax, very much like what you have in the back of your television set, except this is 7/8 inch hardline made by a company called Andrew. The transmit signal comes in this way and then up the tower to the new antenna here. So hopefully we can get this installed soon. We've come back and hooked up the trailer. We left it here at the hotel, and now we're on to Newcastle, Wyoming. Yeah, what a good Windex product here. It's absolutely frozen inside. Look at that. Well, there you go. Just a testament to how cold it is here in Wyoming. Getting on Interstate 90 now, heading towards Moorcroft. If you're my age and know what that means, you might get lucky today. We'll see. You've probably seen this before on my trips, but this coal-fired power plant here is kind of unique in that it doesn't have coal brought to it. It actually is so close to the coal mine. As you can see there, it's generating power. It is so close to the actual coal mine that feeds this power plant, as it comes right across the road underneath, right over here, down that track or that pipe there, and bam, there, that's where the coal comes from to feed this power plant right here. How about that? Let's have a look around. Those are some shiny rails with the sun shining on them. Very active railroad. Yes, sirree, Bob. That's Devil's Tower, Wyoming. This happens to be our exit as well, Moorcroft. If you've ever watched the movie Close Encounters of the Third Kind, Moorcroft and Devil's Tower, Wyoming were prominent. So Pretty cool. Just off the highway here now. We're gonna head on Highway 16. Hey, wait, we were on 16 yesterday going up over the mountains. Well, we continue eastbound now on 16. You're clear to the right. Got Moorcroft here, there right, and then Upton, Newcastle. We're headed to Newcastle. Let's have a look around. Just in the town of Upton now. It says it's the best town on earth on the water tower back there. I have no doubt. I would bet it is. There you go. Looks like the town's been here a while. Got an old brick building here on the left. Looks like it's been there since 50s maybe, 40s. Got some old stuff over here on the right. An old service station here. It's dead now. A couple old buildings. It's another, looks like service station is something here in the white. Hey, a motel here, I think. Yeah, what's left of it. Well, there you go. I'm sure you agree. This is the best town on earth. Upton, Wyoming. You don't see this very often, but this is what's called a high wheeler or high railer. What is that thing? Anyway, there it is. It's a pickup with train wheels on it. Look at that. Yeah, look at this. I think we've driven out of the snow. It's still cold. It says it's 18 degrees out there, but it's not much snow here, which is great. You don't see this close to the road very often, but this is an aircraft VOR. They use it for navigation from area to area. It is a transmitter, and they just put it out in the field, and the airplanes all use it for navigation. It's called a VOR. Just arrived here in Newcastle. This is where our next job is here. We're all done here at Newcastle. As you can see, the antenna. This big tower, the antenna's up there. We're all done with our job here. A little looking around here in Newcastle. All these sites are high because it's a high frequency signal, needs to have line of sight of all the receivers. And that's generally why a repeater or a transmitter of high frequency is located in a line of sight condition here. All right, we're getting out of here. Yeah, you don't see this every day, a horizontal stalactite. You're right behind the wheel. There you go. Here's a fun fact for you. See, there's 3 guy wires hooked up, and the guy wires, of course, hold the tower up, right? Well, they all come to this common point here, and that little plate right there is called an equalizing plate. What it does, if the top of the tower wants to bend, it just twists a little bit, but it maintains the tension on the guy wires. Tower equalizing plate. We're just leaving the Newcastle site, and I think we're going to grab some lunch in town here in Newcastle. All that smoke you see is from a refinery, and they refine crude oil, we think, into jet fuel, but we're not exactly sure. This is the refinery up close here. As you can see, they have quite a bit of outgassing. I'm not sure what all that is, but it's warm in nature. Otherwise it wouldn't condense. There's got to be water in it too. Anyway,
they use steam to heat the vessels in there.
Oh,
what
yeah.
You're seeing is the steam from the heating.
Greg suggests they use steam to heat all of the oil up here, and I guess that's venting. Interesting. I'm going to try to find something to eat in downtown here, I think. Parking here, maybe.
Go the other way, I'd have been fine.
Yeah, you go down, make a U around the block, come back. Looks like we're gonna try this little diner here. Old buildings, kind of cool.
The gal's name really is Donna.
Donna's Diner. I think that's what we're gonna try. Yeah, we're back out on the main drag here. You can see some of the buildings here. This place is cool. Let's see a date that I can read.
Oh, sorry.
What are you running over there? Did you run over a person?
Big old piece of ice.
Oh, well, there you go. It's like an old hotel.
Dang it. Was that Jeep there?
No. Wasn't, but you can park in front of them. Yeah, we're going to, oh, this looks like some kind of a old, what you call it? Oh, wow, look at that. You guys meant to get to see some old metal here. We'll check it out. Just leaving the town of Newcastle now. Headed to our next stop. At least the sun's out. About 34 miles from our destination in Scenic, Wyoming. Kind of on a back highway. Kind of a nice view. You don't see trees very often around here. It's nice to see. Yes, we're all done here at the Casey site. There's the antenna. We are good to go. We're done for the day. We're headed back to Casper, Wyoming. It's been a good day. Weather is cold, but I don't think we're going to get any of the wet stuff here next few days. It's been a good day. 3 sites today. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like. Click subscribe as I'm trying to grow my channel, and I'd certainly appreciate it. Pass my links on to your friends. And just another reminder is that I am up here working for the next couple of weeks. I am not in my Tesla. However, I drove my Tesla 1,791 miles to get here. And as soon as we're done, I'll be back in the Tesla. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in tomorrow's video, and take care.